Hey, good morning, folks. I'm making this video bright and early with my bright and early yeller shirt and my yeller hat, and it matches my yeller boxer shorts because I didn't make it to the bathroom in time before I hit record. Okay, maybe I'm kidding, maybe not, but I do wear adult diapers when I make videos. Okay, what is this Save Club thing? All right, it's barely a week old, and right now, I think you're going to hear about it, especially if you're in the online marketing biz. 100% if you're in LiveGood. All right, we got 2 million members just rocking and rolling, getting healthy, saving money on healthy products, and earning money too as an affiliate. But you know what? To be perfectly honest, when you go to any country, any city, any state, people, they kind of snack on Snickers. They have breakfast cereal. They kind of accidentally eat things that you shouldn't. And boy, I'm the first guy to admit that, okay? So when it comes to nutrition and buying healthy things to try to keep this almost 60-year-old body in check, I know that a handful of people, if I'm in a room of 100 people, I know that there's maybe 5, maybe 10 at the most, are going to go ahead and buy really healthy products, protein powders, watch their diet, try to exercise and do everything, possible to have a rockin' body and a rockin' life and have energy and whatnot. But I know another thing. People like movies, they like travel, they like going to Vegas, they like to shop and spend. You like to make money too. And that's why I think Save Club is going to be more down your alley, especially if you tried doing the LiveGood thing. And sure, if you enjoy the products, that's awesome. But if you joined as an affiliate and you're not getting any traction or any success, all right, I'm a realist. I know that it's kind of tough sometimes to be an affiliate marketer or do a video like you're watching right now where I just talk into a webcam. Or it might be embarrassing where it's like, I don't know. Do you want to try to have some healthy products for wholesale? Healthy for wholesale. That's probably a good store name. I should probably open that up. Okay, but being a realist, I know that only so many people are going to even worry about their health, let alone join something that offers a really good deal on healthy products. But like I said, with Save Club, there's going to be over 1 to 2 million shops, stores, opportunities, discounts, money savings on things that you're already buying. Okay? Is a shopper's club new? If you join something and you save money, is that new? No, it's not. But right now, April, let's see, today's the 24th of 2025. I'm telling you straight up, if you're interested in doing an online biz thing, you should really look into this opportunity. Just like when LiveGood debuted December 13th of 2022, those that joined 30 to 45 days from Ready, Set, Go of that December 13th, 2022 date, they're the ones that build the biggest downlines. Okay? Why? Because when you got cities, countries, states, and people across the street joining something new, and there's only so many affiliates, well, of course, those who join first, someone from China, someone from Fiji, someone across the street, they have to sign up underneath someone. Okay? And then those people will probably accidentally, go ahead and follow through and post a link for you to watch a short video so you can join. Okay? Bam. That's what happened in LiveGood. People got really good at sharing links to watch short videos. That's how I became a part of LiveGood. All right? I'm not an affiliate marketer, although I guess I am now, but my past almost 60 years had nothing to do with join this and save that. I've been a rock and roll DJ. I've ran radio stations. I've owned 4 nightclubs. I'm even remodeling one right now. Okay? A strip club, believe it or not. All right? I produce about 140 car shows per March through October with Rock and Hot Rod Productions. Guys, I'm not looking to retire. I have to work. With my ADD, oh my. But you know what? I need to have energy. I need to keep my body rocking. I walk around a lot. I talk a lot. And that's why LiveGood really benefited me as a product. And then I got a webcam and started shooting the breeze with you guys on a YouTube channel, built it up to 34,000 views, and tens of thousands of people have joined me online in several businesses, not just LiveGood, but I have other companies that benefit LiveGood, education and other things. But I am a realist with LiveGood. I know that only so many people are going to buy healthy products for wholesale. And I know that only a handful of people are going to follow through as an affiliate, even though LiveGood is very affordable. Okay? When it comes down to Save Club, it is the exact same template as LiveGood. Okay? I think that they have an operating agreement with the CEO of LiveGood to share the same capture page, credit card processing, and just the way that the comp plan, even the website, I dare say, is about 95% identical to LiveGood. I know LiveGood very well. All right. I signed up well over 400 and something people. That puts me number 29 out of 2 million people with LiveGood. So if you're in my LiveGood group, or if you tried LiveGood and just didn't get any traction, you need to just look and follow what I'm doing. Okay. There's about a 30 to 45 day kind of boom, 30 to 45 day lane. You're going to get in the fast lane with me, and we're going to haul ass. We're not getting in the slow lane. We're going to blink. We're going to go left into the middle lane. We're going to look over our shoulder or just look in that rearview mirror. And if that fast lane is open, guys, we're going to go. Speed limit here in Utah is 80 miles an hour. We're going to go 80 miles an hour, maybe 85. Because cops here in Utah, they let you go about 5 miles an hour over the speed limit. So if you go about 85 in the fast lane, you're okay. We're going to do that. We'll go 84. I do not want anyone left behind. Not if you're watching my video now and you tried to do another online business. Maybe it's an MLM. Maybe it is LiveGood. But with Save Club right now, there's more people signing up with Save Club than LiveGood at this point. Okay, we're only a week in. If you're watching this video right around, let's see, today is April 24th of 2025. So if you're watching my video within a week or two or 30 days, there's a broad window, 30 to 45 days, we need to haul ass and get you signed up. And we need to, I hope you copy what I do because it seems to work for me. Okay. It's almost identical to LiveGood. Now, if you have no idea what LiveGood is or Save Club, there's going to be over 2 million stores, opportunities, discount, travel. Okay. I have a 35-minute webinar that I'm going to have a link right below this video. I'm going to show you how to find it on YouTube too, but I want you to watch it because it shows tons and tons of the businesses that are going to participate with Save Club. All right. We're going to save you money on things you're already buying. All right. This is not like, oh God, I got to pay $20 a month. Okay. And what am I going to do? I'm going to have to go get another job because it costs $20 a month. No, I want you to save way over, to be exact, $19.97, because that's what it costs to be a member of Save Club. One-time fee of $60. You got 3 $20 bills? Good. Because that's it. Boom. You're an affiliate. You got $19.97? Right on. Okay? So let me shrink up here. I love who? Repeat it. Come on. I don't care if you're in the subway or you're sitting next to your loved one. Say it out loud. I love Save Club. Because I do, and I want you to. All right? I love saveclub.com. I want you to go there right now. And you're going to go ahead and go to this page, okay? And if you're in LiveGood, you can see it's almost identical, just different colors, different logo. Secure your position. Put your name, put your email, put your information there. Click Secure My Position so you can get more information about Save Club every day. I also want you to watch this beautiful YouTube video. All right? It's about 6 minutes long. It's by the founder. Okay? Please watch it. Please watch it. Take action now, as the great Tony Robbins says, 40 million trillion times per year. All right? If you're looking for an online business or if you're already in LiveGood, you need to hurry and join this. All right? Piggyback. All right? Put it in your purse. Put it in your back wallet. But get this Save Club thing in your life. Just like you probably missed out on that 30 to 45 day window with LiveGood. All right? You're not going to miss it now. I don't want you to miss it. Okay, this is a very simple system. Call it a technique. Call it I don't know, call it a fluke. But I got very good at inviting people to click something, to watch something, to join something. Okay, what are you going to click? ilovesaveclub.com. What are you going to do? You're going to go to this page. You're going to watch this video. You're going to go ahead and just hurry and haul ass and get locked in. This doesn't mean you've joined Save Club yet. But at least you're locked in. We need you locked in. Then every Friday at midnight, you can decide if you want to join or not. If not, you're going to have probably 10 to 20 to 30 people pass right up. Because right now I got everybody chomping at the bit going to be signing. I have no doubt I'm going to be on the leaderboard fast, and I already belong to the biggest group in Save Club. We have a Facebook page that you can join. All right, you're going to relax. You can go in there and ask questions, get real comfy, okay, at getting good at this. But who do you love? Who do you love? You love Save Club, don't you? Go there. Watch this dang video. Lock in. Okay? I'm going to leave the video as such. I'm at 10 minutes. I like to keep it as simple as possible. So anyway, guys, here's an opportunity for you. Please look into this. I have so many people disappointed by joining too late, especially when it came to the LiveGood thing. Well, you're not going to make that mistake now. All right? Go ahead. ilovesaveclub.com. Guys, thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's kick some ass. All right? It's almost summertime. Let's work on our tans and have some fun. Peace and love, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.